We love helping hardworking contractors, PAs, and of course the homeowners. Do you know that 90% of contractors are out of business in the first 5 years of operations? That's 9 out of 10. I pray you'll be one who wants to stay in business. You don't believe it? You can read the book Markup and Profit by Michael C. Stone. We do supplements and insurance appraisals. We help contractors, roofing companies, and public adjusters get what's right to do the restoration on their customer's property when there is a loss due to hail, wind, fire. See the example below. It's one of many. So on this property, we started the claim and $4,000. This is the initial insurance estimate. This is what the carrier wants to offer for this loss. Now, this is the estimate that we were able to get at this point. It went from $4,000 all the way to $52,000. If you need help, give us a call. We can help you too, making sure you get what is right for your loss. At this point, the roof has been completed on the property. In the next few days, we're gonna be doing the siding. So this is the new product, a beautiful roof. By the way, we installed laminated shingles of the property despite the insurance company paid for 3 top. The quality that we like to work with are higher. So thank you for your attention. Contact us now. C323restoration.com, 224-276-6460. Don't settle for less. You deserve what is fair.